Hi, my name's Glory and I'm the founder of Hemp My Star. Today I want to talk to you about our exfoliating brush with soft massage nodules that are natural boar bristles. Our exfoliating body brush is made of hardwood and boar bristles with massage nodules. It's a nice big size, which is 11 centimeters and fits perfectly in the palm of your hand. Why do we do dry brushing? Well, it helps flaky winter skin, increases circulation, detoxifies the skin, and even improves the appearance of cellulite. Dry brushing unclogs pores in the exfoliation process. It also helps detoxify your skin by increasing blood circulation and promoting lymph flow and drainage. In addition, dry brushing can make you feel good since it has the additional benefits of stimulating the nervous system. How do you use a dry brush? Well, you start from your feet and you move up towards your legs and thighs and buttocks area and towards the heart, followed by brushing your stomach, arms and neck. I love using the exotic coconut oil on the brush and doing that as well. It feels amazing on your skin and it makes you smell amazing as well. Always stroke towards the heart using light strokes and repeat on the same spot around about 7 times. Adjust the pressure according to your comfort levels. You may feel a slight redness, but that's nothing to worry about. It's normal. It's the blood circulation responding to the skin brushing. It's been great for the skin's health and beauty when dry brushing. Try this palm-sized brush. It fits perfectly in your hand, while the natural canvas strap makes it easier to manage on both wet and dry conditions. Always wash your brush thoroughly if you're using it in the shower. Enjoy. It's only $12 on our site.